B, 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 look at me. I'm the second letter, can't you see? Big B, small b, fun and bright. Let's learn the letter B tonight.
B is for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. B is for bird, flying all around. B is for bear, big and brown. Letter B is all around.
Write big B, one line and two. Write small b, you can do it too. Practice B every day, you will learn the letter B.
B is for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. B is for bird, flying